Welcome to Intouch Forging OS, designed to streamline your manufacturing process. Let's begin by adding team members. In the Settings tab, navigate to Team. Here, administrators can easily create accounts for the workforce, assign them to specific departments like the toolroom, and securely grant login access. Next, we configure our job templates. By selecting a component, like a forging die setup, we can preset default workers and external suppliers for every process step, from 3D modeling to VMC machining. This automates job allocation later on. Now in Dashboard, click on New Order to begin. Firstly, enter the customer name and specify the component details. Like this glass ball we are setting up today. We input the exact quantities required and the target delivery dates to keep production on schedule. Intouch Forging OS allows you to directly attach reference files, so we will upload our WhatsApp reference images right here. Finally, we map out the required raw materials. In this case, selecting an EN8D round bar, and save the order to push it live into the system, eliminating the need for manual paperwork. Notice how the system instantly generates detailed process tracking for both the top and bottom dies, based entirely on the templates we configured earlier. Let's move on to procuring the necessary raw material. Inside the Order Nexus, we select the pending material requirement to instantly draft a purchase order. We can browse our directory and choose a preferred supplier for the round bar stock, then quickly confirm the pricing details. Once confirmed, Intouch Forging OS does the heavy lifting by automatically generating a perfectly formatted email draft. It includes all the critical purchase order details and specifications, completely ready to be sent to the supplier without any manual typing. When the physical material finally arrives at the plant, our gate station module seamlessly handles the inward logistics. The operator simply selects the incoming shipment, inputs the actual received weight from the weighbridge, and enters the transport vehicle details along with the invoice total. With a single click, the material is accepted and instantly moved into our live inventory stock. Simultaneously, the system automatically reconciles and updates the supplier's financial history. With material securely in stock, we begin the first production stage, which is cutting. If a mechanical issue occurs, operators can instantly pause the process and report the exact delay, such as a malfunctioning bandsaw. This pause immediately alerts management on the dashboard. From here, we can log a specific, high-priority maintenance task for the broken bandsaw. Management quickly approves this and directly assigns the task to an available maintenance worker. The worker receives the notification, completes the necessary repairs, and submits a completion report. Once verified, the station is officially cleared, allowing production to safely resume. Jumping back into the Order Nexus, we can officially complete the cutting process. The operator easily logs the total processed weight and uploads a quick verification photo. Intouch Forging OS permanently records the exact timestamp and duration taken. Meanwhile, management can continuously monitor the live, real-time progress of the toolroom. As each assigned worker completes their specific step, whether it's designing or machining, the progress bar updates instantly. To keep things moving on the actual shop floor, you can generate and print a comprehensive job card report PDF with just one click. This document ensures physical tracking and quality control at every bench, guaranteeing that both the top and bottom dies are 100% ready for the hammer. With the dies prepped and ready, we initiate the core forging process. Once finished, the operator inputs the total weight, notes the average strokes per piece, and captures a verification photo for strict quality control. Intouch Forging OS doesn't just track jobs, it monitors your machinery in real time. By navigating to Asset Management, you can select any connected machine to view its live telemetry data. This includes critical metrics like Spindle RPM, feed rates, and total running hours. If a machine suddenly breaks down, you can directly log an error, like a spindle issue, and immediately assign a maintenance worker, ensuring minimal downtime on the shop floor. Moving over to the Assignments tab, workers are given a crystal clear, prioritized view of all their pending jobs. But it's not just for production tasks. Managers can also assign independent facility maintenance tasks here. For example, if a worker needs to change a broken bulb in the toolroom, the manager creates the task and simultaneously allocates the exact hardware required, like specific nuts, bolts, or fixtures, straight from the digital inventory. This ensures that nothing is pulled from stock without being properly logged, maintaining absolute inventory accuracy while keeping the plant running smoothly and efficiently. Once the entire manufacturing cycle reaches completion, the Order Nexus automatically compiles and generates a comprehensive, finalized production report in PDF format. This critical document acts as your ultimate source of truth, offering complete circular traceability across the entire lifecycle of the order. It meticulously details the exact raw material usage, precise timestamps for every individual stage, and includes actual photographic proof captured at every single process step. Back on the main dashboard, you have a complete bird's-eye view of active production and live machine status. That is how Intouch Forging OS effortlessly powers your entire manufacturing ecosystem.